Today we want to show you how to adjust the cutting height of your string trim. The adjustment is done by loosening this set screw, which is in this recessed opening in here. With use, the center part of this Allen-headed set screw will get filled with dirt and debris. You need to use a small wire or a small screwdriver and clean the debris out before attempting to loosen it with the Allen wrench. First, you would loosen the set screw by turning it counterclockwise. You'd slide the head up or down to whatever cutting height you would like. Then tighten the set screw back down by turning it clockwise and seating it firmly.